Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can go ahead and get signed up right there in Domino's app right there in your mobile phone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and get into our video. If you are to so first of all, make sure that you have installed and downloaded the app. Then go ahead, tap on that app, tap on this join now option, tap on this enroll, enter your first name, last name, enter your phone number which is required of course for the delivery purpose, and then enter your extension which is optional. You choose not to enter as well. Email address, enter it, and now go ahead re-enter your email, and now go ahead enter the password. And then what you will do is simply go down below and you will go ahead, tap on this create profile. You will tap on that, you will get a confirmation code, confirmation email right there, your email address that just added, and you will go ahead, confirm your email, and you're good to go. You will be able to create your Domino's account right there in your mobile phone like that. So yes guys, this is how you can do it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.